Why is that so complicated? Alright guys, you ready? Let's go. Are we there yet? No! We ain't fucking there yet! Oh my god. Oh, Bill! She's kicking it!
Kill him!
Kill it!
Chill.
Get him, Mobile!
Who was your first ever crush?
I don't remember my first crush, but you know, I was crushing on some elementary boys. When I was also in elementary?
Yeah. Flip it out of context! Do it! Do
Ah! I'm a pedophile.
Oh no, that... I'm transphobic,
Because I'm a homophobe, transphobe, racist, pedophile.
I found Zooty's twin sister on TikTok. Okay, I'm sick to bastard death of you! That does not look like me. That looks nothing like me. Do not- the horse picture looks like you? Who gives a fuck? Oh, that shit is... Where's that shit going?
What? Oh my god, Jesus.
Ah! 9.6 and 11 look the same. Maybe to a 6 digits! Just kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Oh my god. If it's not an SS, it's not nothing. Why are some streams cut and some aren't? Autism.
They're coming at me.
Oh no, it's one! Oh! I have no fucking cover, I'm ready.
You got it, you got it.
Oh,
Oh,
I'm ready.
oh
No, brother! Why is my camera
banana.
dead? How long has it been dead for?
Oh shit! You're locked in! You're locked in! Oh my god!
That's hilarious.
Just scared.
Is it just me or do you also make mac and cheese and just eat the cheese? The powdered cheese? Can I admit something?
Oh no, what?
You know what I'm gonna say. When I make the mac and cheese and I put the cheese powder, I start like tonguing the inside of the bag to get the extra cheese. Look, we all did that. It's true actually, yeah. No shame.
I never did that.
No shame. What? You never tongued the bag? Squirtnator. Yo. I don't think this has any notes. There's one object. Gamble? Do you wanna gamble? Wait, I can't move because I don't have... Uh-oh.
Dude, there's no way to not get a 300 in this, right? Bitch, what the fuck? Wait, what? What did you do?
Watch and learn, bro. If you guys really know me, you know my penis peeling technique of Mandarin Orange. Nice. Someone is inviting me to join lobotomy experience.
Lobotomy experience.
I'm in lobotomy experience.
You left.
Don't join
What
lobotomy
the
experience.
fuck is this?
Oh. Okay. Mutual me on Fortnite, beautiful mistress. Can you crank a fucking 90? Can you shut the fuck up? This bird. Oh my! Oh my! We got subs! Oh my! We got subs! Woohoo! Yay! How do you play split streams? Well, yeah, you just tap normally, and then you snap abnormally. You don't have to worry about cut streams, kitten. You just have to play 17 versions of the same jump map with DT to get ranks.
Right.
Well, I'm next to Ed now.
Oh god. Maybe it's your board.
Oh,
wait.
mine.
I'll let you see the camera.
Oh my god. The fucking hardest pattern. Fuck, dude. That one was fucking hard as hell, though. Did you see that? This is the kind of shit we gotta do for 1K in the xootynator economy. I don't know where to stick my finger in.
The streets of Cleveland, Ohio.
Dare you.
Dare you.
There you.
What did you do?
Dare you.
Air you guest appearance.
I can't. I can't unpause. I'm gonna miss. I don't know. Oatmeal. Send me a clip. Send me a clip. I have to hit this one. I don't think I hit it. Oh my god. Pause. Ohio princess. Ohio, my sugoi chatter. You guys copying Osu keycaps. Bro, guys, week 1, Osu custom keyboard, week 2, ice soup. Oh my god. Fuck, dude, I actually like shredded that so hard. One miss? One miss, 100, 150? Fuck, I'm crap, bro.
Ooh, you need unlimited data to stream from your phone. It actually cooks it so fast. It's worth it though. Unlimited data nowadays, like,
Bro's acting like I give a fuck. No, I'm just kidding.
Are you serious? Why is my bird in the garbage? Okay, hold on. Hold on now. For no reason! Besties. Naked xootynator boobs, thanks for the follow. Look at his blankets. Whoa. Whoa.
Throw them a rock, honestly.
Whoa. You telling me the balls are just hanging around? Loose?
Yeah.
That's crazy. That's crazy, like, the fact that I'm just sitting here and like 90% of you have balls right now. According to my YouTube analytics, 95% of you have balls. Did you see yourself jacked? Are you saying that this looks like me? Are you stupid? Wait, I should take a picture too. Do you guys want to be in the photo? I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I got Miku in Fortnite.